Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the field of view in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here, open the display section and scroll down. Near the bottom should be the field of view. By the default it is set to 90 degrees, that is. The game recommends to keep it at 90, but you can increase or lower this value. You can go as low as 60 or as high as 120 degrees. I will keep it at 90 because this is my preferred angle while playing games. Of course, you do you. After you make your choice, press the close button and that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.